Hello children, welcome to Junior KG class. How are you all? Keeping well? Yes, because you all are eating fruits now. Yes children? Okay, now tell me, which are the common fruits? Yes, the fruits that we get in all seasons, which are available in all seasons, they are called common fruits. Can you name them common fruits? Okay, which are the common fruits? Apple, coconut, banana. So these are the common fruits. Now, which are the seasonal fruits? Strawberry, cherry, plum. These are the seasonal fruits. Why do we call it seasonal fruits? Because they are available in particular season. That's why we called it seasonal fruits. Now, children, tell me, in India, how many seasons do we have? We have three seasons. Which are those? Winter, summer, and monsoon. And today we will learn about the fruits that can peel off and cannot peel off. Okay, so we will see which are the fruits that can be peel off and which are the fruits that we can't peel off. Okay, now we will see the fruits that can peel off. Now children, tell me why we should peel off. Because the skin of that fruits is difficult to clean. It is hard to digest. You can't chew that peel. And it is a simply inedible. That's why we peel off the skin of that fruits. Now first is banana. Can you see banana here? Yes, it contains lots of fibers, right? And it is sweet in taste. So this is banana that we have to peel off. Now next fruit is kiwi. Can you see kiwi? Yes, it contains so many vitamins. Do you know that? Yes, and children, do you know that we have a letters? Do you learn letters, right? Which are the letters? A, B, C, D. Do you know even fruits contains vitamins, and these vitamins are divided into letter A, B, C, D. So this kiwi fruit has vitamin C and it contains lots of fiber. Yes, and can you see so many seeds, black seeds inside the kiwi? Yes, these seeds only contain so many fibers and it regulates your blood circulation. Right. Now next fruit is orange. Yes, which vitamin it contains? Do you know? It contains vitamin C. Yes, it's full of vitamin C and it's very juicy fruit. And what is the taste of this fruit? It has tangy taste. Yes, thoda khatta, thoda mecha. Now next fruit is lychee. Yes, can you see? Yes, we have to peel off and it's a juicy fruit. Lychee is juicy fruit. Yes, and it contains lots of vitamin and it's a seasonal fruit. Now, do you know how many seeds lychee has? It has only one seed. How many seeds? Only one seed. Now, next is pineapple. Yes, which fruit has crown on its head? Yes, it's pineapple. When you cut pineapple, you will get yellow color. Yes, and how pineapple helps us? Yes, it it gives us health. It gives us fibers and it contains vitamin C. And children, tell me what is the shape of pineapple? Yes, it has oval shape. Now next is pomegranate. Yes, children. Which fruit gives us seeds? Yes, pomegranate. Here we are eating the seeds of pomegranate. So we have to peel it off to get the seeds of the pomegranate. And children, do you know it helps in digestion system? Yes, it improves our digestion system and it is the healthiest fruit. Yes, and what is the color of fruit? Can you see seeds? Yes, pinkish color, right? It has dark pink color or the red color. Now, next fruit is watermelon. Yes, it's a summer season fruit, right? During the summer season, we generally drink the juice of watermelon. Yes, this fruit has two colors. Which are those? Outside it is in green color and inside it is in red color. And what is the color of this seed? Yes, black colors. How many seeds it has? It has so many seeds, right? So we have to peel off and we have to eat the pulp of this fruit. Now next is mango. Everyone's favorite, right? Because it is the king of fruits. Now children, tell me how many seeds it contains? It contains only one seed. Yes. And how is the taste of mango? Yes, it has sweet taste, right? And next is dragon fruit. Yes, children, it has unique name, right? Dragon. Yes, and children, dragon fruit contains vitamin C and it improves your immune system. And the seeds, can you see black seeds? It has so many seeds, and these seeds fight against the germs. Yes, children. So dragon fruit is the healthiest fruit. You should include in your diet and see how they're peeling it off. Yes, children. Now next is papaya. Yes. How is papaya? Yes. Sweet and fleshy fruit. Yes. And how many seeds papaya have? Yes, it has so many seeds. What is the color of seeds, children? Yes, they are in black color and it has sweet, sweet taste, right? Now, next we will see fruits which we cannot peel off. Yes, children. Why we cannot peel off? Because the skin of that fruits contains lots of fibers and vitamins. So we should not peel off that fruits and we have to eat it as whole. Now see cherry. What is the color of cherry? Red, red. Yes. How many seeds cherry has? It has one seed. And do you know, children, it is energy boosting fruit. Yes, it gives you energy and it also helps in building your blood cells. Yes, it improves our blood cells. Now, next is strawberry. Yes, it's a seasonal fruits. Yes, right. And children, tell me how many seeds it has. One, few, or many? One. No, children, it has many seeds. Yes, can you see yellow dots on the strawberry? What are these? These are the tiny, small seeds of the strawberry. Now, next is plum, my favorite fruit. Which is your favorite fruit, children? Yes, plum. Now, children, what is the color of plum? Yes, they are in red color. Now, tell me how many seeds it has. It has only one seed. And do you know it improves our blood circulation? Yes, children, it helps in improving our blood circulation. So, it is a plum. They are the seasonal fruits. Now, can you see grapes? Yes, there are various types of grapes and they are juicy. Yes. And what is the taste of grapes? Either sweet or sour in taste, right? And we always get in a bunch. Yes. Can you see the bunch of the grapes here? Yes. Now, next is pear. Yes, children. we have to eat pear along with its skin because its skin contains lots of fiber and minerals, and it is a digestive food. It helps in digestion system. Yes, and it contains lots of vitamins and fibers. Now, next is guava. Yes, which fruit is guava? How many seeds it contains? Yes, it contains lots of seeds. Can you see yellow color seeds here? Yes, and how guava helps us? Yes, it good for your brain. Yes, why it is good for your brain? Because helps it helps to circulate the blood. Yes, now next is fig. Now, children, what is this? Yes, these are the seeds of the fig. Yes, and this fig has lots of vitamins. And which vitamins it has? You know, vitamin A and vitamin K. Yes, now this is a seasonal fruit. Do you like to eat fig? Yes or no? Okay, now next is black plum. Yes, prior we see plum that was in red color. Now here is a black plum. Yes, and we also called it jamun, kala jamun, right? So, you know, this fruit is healthiest fruit and it fights against the diabetes. Yes, it fights diabetes and it also improves your digestion system. And do you know how many seed it has? It has one seed. How many? One. Now next is sugar palm. Yes, children. We also call it targola. Yes. So we have to peel off targola or a sugar palm and we have to eat. It's a very juicy. It contains lots of water and it is the healthiest food, right? So these are the fruits that we have to keep it in mind. Which are the fruits that can we peel off and which are the fruits that we can't peel off. So I hope now you remember the fruits that we can peel off and the fruits that we can't peel off. So give me the answer of it. Okay, I will ask you the questions about it. Okay, children, so revise this lesson and revise the name of the fruits. Yes, so it's time to say bye bye and keep having fruits in your diet. Bye.